Okay, so you have your song on your audio channel 2 timeline. What I would like you to do is stretch it out vertically and horizontally. So to stretch it out horizontally, if you just hit the plus sign, it's going to stretch it out and focus on where your playhead is. And then what you do is if you hit the option and the plus sign, it'll stretch it out vertically. So you can see those waveforms a little bit better. So now what I'm going to do is find the portion of the video where I want to import, and it's about right here. I already hit my in point. So I'm going to drag that down to audio's channel 1 and video channel 1. So what you really need to do is identify a word where you can actually see the mouth moving so you can visually match something up, and then also listen to what was playing while you were recording to match it up with the audio from your MP3. So let's find a word. So we're going to use the word see because I can see her mouth moving there. So it's about right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mute the channel that is connected to the video. And I'm going to find the word see on my audio. So let's play it. So I used my left and right arrows to move back 1 frame at a time or forward 1 frame at a time. And then this is where the blue playhead is. That's where the word see is. So what I'm going to do is actually insert a marker. So that'll tell me at this marker is the word see. So now I'm going to mute that, unmute this, and find where she says the word see, both visually and auditorily. So right there. So it's very close. So we just need to trim it a tiny bit and match it up. Still a little bit off. Let's move it 1 more frame or 2. There you go. So that's much better. And that's a good way to match things up by using your markers, stretching your channels, and using both mute for either channel.